Hi guys, Timothy in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate miniature marshmallow squares with peanut butter and all kinds of goodness in it. I have made this several times. It comes out wonderfully, just like you buy at the store, but with a twist and other ingredients involved. The only downside is you got to wait 4 hours. So let's get going and I'll show you ingredients. I have my pot all warmed up right now because it's not going to take that long. We have condensed milk, we have peanut butter chips, we have chocolate chips, and I added a half a cup more into it. I have creamy peanut butter, vanilla extract, miniature marshmallows, crushed pretzels, and Rice Krispies. So first we're going to add in the condensed milk. See how gooey that is? Doesn't that look marvelous? I think I can eat that just like that. I wouldn't put this in your cereal or anything. And you also, this is not going to be a bake at all. It's going to be as we're doing it. And those are the peanut butter. You want to have a baking pan and you want to spray it. And what I did is I added the tin foil in it, and then I sprayed it evenly around the whole pan, because you don't want to have it in the refrigerator and then it'll be all sticky when you want to cut it out. So you want to make life easier for yourself. Here's the vanilla. Not much vanilla, but it gives it just enough. Then you want to mix it in, and when it's melting, it's not going to take that long to melt. It's going to come to a hard consistency. But you can see that it's already melting already. This is going to be a little messy at first. And you don't have to add any water into it because of the condensed milk. It's a little liquidy. You want to make sure it's all melted. And you want to keep an eye on it. You don't want to walk away. Doesn't that look great? Sometimes you might want to have to bump it up a little bit. I just bumped it up to a 3. It takes time, just a little bit, about 5 minutes. So be patient on this. We're folding and tucking to the bottom, so you don't want the chocolate to burn. As you can see, the consistency, it's starting to get thick, and that's what we are looking for. And that's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to be adding in our last 3 ingredients. So now we're going to take this off the burner, and we will not be using this anymore. Put this off to the side here. We'll just leave it on here. Now we're going to add in the miniature marshmallows. Just mix it a little bit here and then add in the remaining, the pretzels. And now the Rice Krispies. A whole bunch of crunchiness. Mix it until it's well combined in. Now we got our aluminum sprayed pan. I use butter spray Pam to put it in. So let's spread it all around in here. Doesn't that look great? Next, what we're going to do is Evenly spread it around. And then I'm going to show you a trick. What I like to do when I get it around, it's going to flatten it out and then equal itself out around the whole pan. I mean, if you're not a good leveler, it will level itself out. I will show you here. So this is the technique I use. Drop it a few times. Sometimes you might have to do it a few more. I know this is the bad part. You can't have them right away. Nope. We're going to do next is we're going to put on this. Put it the top on, and we're going to let it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. When it becomes completely hard, you can enjoy them and bring them out and have a nice family snack. Let's put them in the refrigerator for 4 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like after. The chocolate marshmallow peanut butter took only 2 hours and 15 minutes. It might take 4 hours, but I checked on it and it's very hard like a candy. So let's get a piece. I'm going to take it out just like I got out of the refrigerator. Take the lid off. And what I think is going to be best is to take it out of the aluminum foil, put it off the side, and then we'll put the rest back in a little while here. So I'm just folding down the aluminum foil, and I'm going to cut it. My trusty knife. Cut it like you're cutting brownies. Yep, that is definitely hard. Like candy. And then we're going to have a piece here now. Yep, perfect. Look at that. I love it. So we're going to put this off to the side, and we're going to put the rest in and cut them up later. And I'm going to have myself a nice, wonderful treat here. I can taste the pretzels, the marshmallows, the chocolate, and the peanut butter in it. I give this a very big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching Timothy in the Kitchen. I encourage you all to try this recipe in your own home and share it with friends and family and tell them that you got this recipe from Timothy in the Kitchen. As we all endure making good recipes in our own kitchen, let's create wonderful new experience with each other and make it an everlasting friendship. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.